Kia ora whānau, so we're going to do some shoes. Let's go. So to begin off with, I'm going to do a quick sketch on my tablet just so I can visualize it a little better and understand what colors I want to use. Cool, now we can get the shoe clean and get that clear coat off ready to paint. And now we get to start painting. So I use Alpha Flex and Angelus Direct Leather Paint for my shoes. And I haven't gone wrong with them. I like both of them, to be honest. As you can see in the background, I also do Twitch, I play games and do my art on there if you want to give me a follow. So for you who don't actually know, this is my little man. His name is Icon. He's kind of like the mascot of the brand. But yeah, now you know. Okay, before I show you the shoes, the final product, can you give us a like and a follow, please? I would really appreciate it. I want to keep making videos like a behind the scenes of what I do for the brand. But yeah, here's the end shoe. Peace.